An important node in a Gaea, we use lots of this way to creating a train is mask node. It's very important. As you can see, it's a highlight, means it's very useful and handy. It's a mask. It's just a simple mask. As you can see, it does not have any input. You can just output it to some other noise. For example, use a mountain or praline or something like this. As you can see, we want to create such a this train just to the place that we draw. Select a mask, and just it has a, you have to click and edit mask. As you can see, this window will be pop up, and you can change the size of this brush or a strength of that. For example, we want to draw TC, and here you can turn it off and erase somewhere, or turn it on to continue drawing. This is a mask. It means that command will be apply any command that you plug to the mask or mask to the plug to the as I said before, any node, mountain, noise, fall, crack, has a mask input, and we use this data to limit this command or nodes. This is a mask, and select it and plug it to the praline. And as you can see, that noise, that mountain just creating an area that we draw before here. This is a mask. And here you can change the power of the mask for changing the blurriness of here. You can change the power of that here. Yeah, and as you can see, it's blurring the edges, or make it sharper, and select a node again. And in a Gaea, as I said before, if you select a mask, you can then go to edit the mask here again, or you can simply select the noise that you want. Simple. Any noise that you click, it shows in the 3D viewport, and this is a mask. You don't have any other setting. Just you can invert it if you want. Nice. And look at here. You dig in some masking here. Nice. And as you can see before, as I said before, you can clamp the height with the post-product nodes, clamp the maximum for changing height, as I said before. So you can type any text, any form in a mask that you want, and we use it a lot. Nice. So you can select, click and drag all of them and delete. That's it, the mask node. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.